We done it now, as you can show.